In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a favicon in Lovable. A favicon is the small icon that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts. Updating it helps your project look polished and easy to recognize. We'll walk through using the Lovable dashboard and the built-in Ask Lovable Assistant to update the favicon reference in your project's head tag with a single precise prompt. Start by heading to your Lovable dashboard. From there, open all projects so you can see everything you're working on. Choose the project you want to update to open its project workspace. Inside the project view, look for Ask Lovable, the assistant panel that can make changes to your app's code and configuration on your behalf. Click it to bring up the prompt field. In the message field, type exactly. Replace the current favicon with new favicon.ico and update the head tag. This single instruction tells the assistant to locate the link element that defines your site's icon, typically something like a link rel icon tag in the HTML head, and update its REF to point to new favicon ISO. The leading slash indicates the file is served from the root of your site. A few quick notes to ensure this works smoothly. Make sure the favicon file you want to use is actually available at the path you reference. If your icon lives at a different location or has a different name, simply swap new favicon.ico in the prompt for the correct path in your project. Favicon files are commonly in .ico format and work well across browsers, with 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 sizes being typical. Many browsers also accept .png or .svg, but .ico offers the broadest compatibility. Once the assistant processes your prompt, it will confirm the update and note the changes it made. That confirmation means your project's head tag now points to the new favicon file. If you don't immediately see the new icon in your browser tab, that's usually due to caching. Favicons are often cached more aggressively than other assets. Give it a moment, open a fresh tab, or perform a hard refresh to let the new icon show up. To recap the flow, open your Lovable dashboard, go to All Projects, select your project, open Ask Lovable, and enter the prompt, replace the current favicon with new favicon ICO, and update the head tag. With that, you'll have a clean, reliable way to switch the tab icon using Lovable's assistant, fast, clear, and consistent across your project.